Today we're gonna make a homemade fish. This is a sea bass. We got it from Costco. I believe, if I remember correctly, it's about $8.99 a pound. Two of them cost us like almost $18. So this is how it looks when we open it. And let's clean up. So we usually cut up the fin. Tonight we're gonna season this fish using oils, soy sauce, scallion, and we cut all the stuff, tail, fin, that we don't need. And inside is very clean if you look at it. Yeah, so if you get it in Costco, they'll clean up for you inside, so you don't have to do much. And looking at the meat, it's very fresh, so it's gonna be very tasty. And at Costco, they also clean up all these scale for you, but just be safe. We want to do it another time. Just make sure everything is gone. So we do a clean, another round, clean off the scale. Yeah, by looking at it, we don't see much scale anymore. It's very clean if you get it from Costco. The fish definitely look very fresh. Yeah, one reason I like to shop at Costco getting the fish is they clean everything for you. You don't have to do much when you bring it back home. Scales, organ, cut, everything, you know. Oh, I can smell the fish, the raw fish. So you see all this wet stuff. Make sure must be very clean. Get it out, wash it off, or otherwise when you're done cooking, it will taste smelly or fishy smells. Fish is all clean. It's ready to like do the next process. Make some cut, the back and the front. So the reason why we cut it back and front is that it will make sure that inside is cooked, and when you have like put soy sauce on it, the flavor will go inside as well. Now we're gonna add some white pepper, so that this way we'll get the fishy smell less. But I think this fish is very fresh. You're not gonna taste too much of the fishy smell. Besides the white pepper, we're gonna add salt. Just on top of the fish, inside, outside. Now we flip the fish. The other side, same thing, we put pepper. And then we put a little bit of salt. Next step we're gonna do is prepare some scallion and ginger. And the reason why we need ginger is the same thing as having a white pepper, is to try to get rid of the fishy smells. Well, yes, we cut the scallion into small tiny pieces. If we look closer, this is how small they are. So for scallion, it's no specific portion. It depends of how much you like to eat versus how much you don't like to eat. Since I love scallion, we usually put a lot of it. And if you have cilantro at home, you can feel free to add it because we went out, so we didn't add it this time. Now we cut the ginger into slices. So this is how the slices will be, and you don't want to eat it. It's just a taste to get rid of the fishy smell. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to cook the fish. Before we do that, we're gonna put some corn flour so that will become more crispier. Wrap around the fish using the hand and do the same on both sides. Okay. So we're gonna heat up the pan using medium to high setting, and then we add some oil. So we're gonna heat up the pan using medium to high setting, and then we add some oil. And we'll wait until the oil becomes hot and enough temperature, and then we put some ginger, a little bit of salt. Now put the fish on the pan. And we set the stove now into high. Let it cook. It's time to flip it the other side. All the seasoning, oil seasoning. Smelling good. Golden crispy. Now we get the ginger out. We don't need it anymore. Now we start preparing, putting the scallion, cooking the scallion together. Then we add soy sauce. We got the lower sodium soy sauce, so that will be less salty. And add a little bit chicken powder. A small amount of water. Us like 7 minutes to get cooked. Well, the small fish will take less time, larger fish will take longer time. So there's no specific time. So make your own judgment. Now we're gonna put it on a plate. Finish cooking the fish. So let's try the fish now. Hot, nice and hot. It's very tasty. Very soft, you don't taste all the fishy, smelly taste. It's definitely good fish. And this is how typical Asian preparing a fish at home, or there's another way, which is steam. Thank you for watching. Please remember, share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you the next video.